In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids. Following that, you need to get this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now click on those two lines at the bottom right one. Select Settings at the top and choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. Now you can check out all of those options. When you finished, click on the bottom right corner again, but this time click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Lastly, click on Set Wallpaper and pick the best option for you. Home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!